For more on tech's AI race, I want to bring in Brent Thill, Jefferies tech analyst. I want to thank you for joining us. Does this change the game in terms of, I mean, we've been talking a lot about ChatGPT and obviously its relationship with Microsoft. Then there's Bard at Google. This is different, but how do you compare these different services?
I'd say right now it's still very early, Andrew. If you think about Amazon, they basically own the cloud computing market. If you combine Microsoft and Google's revenue together, there's still a huge delta between Amazon's lead. So today, I think the winners in AI will be the vendors that have the data and the users, and Amazon has that today with AWS as the predominant leader. We think that many companies aren't exactly ready to roll out AI in full production yet. And so I think Amazon has time. They clearly were late as it relates to the PR. Microsoft won the PR game. Then Google came, and Amazon now kind of felt like I think they had to say something, and investors were expecting them to say what they said. But I think it's still early in terms of production customers, the degree of which those customers want to roll out. But I do think that there's an important point yesterday in the Amazon letter. They mentioned, today 90% of the data is still on premise. And so many CIOs we're talking to are saying AI can help bring more data to the cloud. That's exactly what Amazon wants. And when you're going to use AI, you can't do it on old applications. You got to bring it into AWS. So still very early. And I would say it's hard to.
You just said, though, that effectively Microsoft won the PR game of this. My question is, and I asked Andy about this yesterday, which is how portable are these services? Meaning, if I'm a big company that has all my data sitting on an AWS, do you see companies getting enticed by the idea of what OpenAI presents, for example, or what Bard might be doing, or what have you, and saying, you know what, actually, I'm going to move my service from one to the other? And how easy or hard is that?
It's extremely hard. We don't believe that that's going to be as portable. I think there's a concept of multi-cloud. A lot of companies are going to use, large enterprises are going to use two clouds. So they may try Microsoft and OpenAI for one service and keep other services AWS. But I think right now, ultimately, this isn't enough to change the game yet, because we still won't have live referenceable production customers en masse at Microsoft and OpenAI. Until we see that, we don't believe that's going to shift away from Amazon. Amazon today continues to hold the lead. They're more innovative. They're holding many of the most important customers on the planet are still at AWS. So I do think that some will choose Microsoft and experiment, but I don't believe this is going to shift share very quickly.